Welcome to the Changedom experience. Thank you for showing. This is Reginal. Today we're gonna do something for the MAs, for the nurses. Matter of fact, why am I doing something for the nurses? Because I met this really cool lady. She's a neighbor of mine, and it was inspired by her as a medical assistant. She loves her career so much that when she graduated, she had a tattoo of, let me get this right, caduceus. This is for nursing. So what do nurses do? They communicate with doctors, right? They communicate with the patients, right? What else do nurses do? They administer, they instruct, and they promote health and well-being. So I want to give it up to the nurses because my mother, she was a caregiver for most of her life, and we're excited to be and proud to be able to celebrate her birthday at the end of the month on the 29th. So happy birthday, Mom. Also, today's my grandmother's birthday. She's passed, but I love you. Rest in heaven, Grandma. And I hope you're with me and see me doing you proud. And because of all those people and the nurses that care and give for others, this is a dedication to all the nurses, all the caregivers. All right, and so here we go. We're gonna use pink and green material to put on the purple shirt. It's gonna be a two-part design, so we're gonna use the green material first. All right, so check it out, guys. This is what the first part of the design is gonna look like. So this is gonna be the background. So we're flipping it horizontally, so that way when it's put on the shirt, on the design, you can read it from left to right. I'm gonna send it as is because it's already, again, flipped horizontally. I am doing my best to put out at least one video a month for this YouTube page, the Changedom Experience. Thank you again for joining me. Again, the Facebook store will be coming soon, and Instagram will be opening up. It's going to be a movement. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Nice. Let's go ahead and get this unloaded. Unload. More like that. So I'm taking a good scissors here. Cut this part of the pattern off of the material. And this is the weeding process. Just takes a minute. For the design, we're going to be using pink. All right, and this is going to be the second design. Okay, now that the material is loaded in, swap these designs out real quick. As we continue, I'm gonna go ahead and unload this second design. me out. Hope you guys can see me. I'm about to use this heat press right here. And it's gonna allow me to take the designs, the 2 designs, be right back. Now that we have the, again, the design on the shirt as we like, we're gonna go ahead and press it. First, our heat transfer sheet, of course. Let's go ahead and put it down. Oh, it says it's ready. The time set for 25 seconds, we're gonna let it run. Yeah, so back to the fact of the matter, I'm not sure if you guys ever been to the hospital or been hurt or anything like that, or been sick for that matter, but there's nothing like someone there that's giving them their time without any explanation. That's really looking out for you, you know? So, dedication. Thanks again, nurses, caregivers. Reset that temperature from the material. Now that it is on the this shirt there, we can apply our next design. Perfectly aligned, of course. The Changedom experience. This is the first time I ever did and tried anything like this. See how it turns out. Yes, I like that. I like that. There's one more press. Right, here we go. Well, I hope y'all like it. Again, this is dedication to the nurses, caregivers, my grandmother's birthday today. Happy birthday, Grandma, rest in heaven. And again, this is dedication to my mom as well, because her birthday's at the end of the end of this month, on the 29th. And I look forward to celebrating with her. I love you, Mom. Shout out to all the nurses. Thanks for being part of the Changedom experience. I really appreciate you all checking me out. Like I said, some information will be down below, left in the description, as well as on the screen somewhere here. So I want to thank you again. Make it a great evening, and we'll talk with you later.